In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Moodboard in Miro. A moodboard is a visual space where you gather images, colors, textures, and references to define the look and feel of a project. Miro makes this simple with ready-made templates, so you can focus on exploring ideas instead of building from scratch. I'll walk you through getting to the template and adding it to your workspace, along with a few helpful tips so you feel confident and ready to start. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. This will take you to your dashboard where all your boards and workspaces live. If you're already signed in, you'll land right there. If not, just continue to your account the way you normally do. Once you're on the dashboard, you're in the right place to add a mood board to a new or existing board. From the dashboard, look for the Templates area. Depending on your layout, you might see a Templates button on the left sidebar or an Explore Templates option near the top. Click Explore Templates. This opens Miro's template library, which is organized by categories like brainstorming, design, research, and more. The library can be large, so using search will save time and help you find exactly what you need. In the template library, go to the search bar and type the word Moodboard. Press Enter to see the results. You should now see one or more Moodboard templates, sometimes offered by Miro and sometimes by the community. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've spelled it as one word. You can click a template to preview it, read a short description, and check what elements are included, like image placeholders, color swatches, and notes. When you've found the Moodboard template you like, select it and click Use. Miro will prompt you to choose where to place it, either on a new board or on an existing one. After you confirm, the template opens and is ready to go. You'll see frames, placeholders, and labels that guide you on where to drop images or paste links. Use the zoom controls to get a closer look, and feel free to rename the frame so it matches your project. If you're collaborating, share the board so teammates can add references in real time. And remember, you can customize colors, swap placeholders for your own content, and rearrange sections as your concept evolves. That's it. Your mood board is now added to Miro and ready for inspiration.